Hello, I'm John Van Alstyne, and I lead ICAR. As you may be aware, several years ago, ICAR began the big and highly integrated project of enhancing nearly all we do, including our curriculum, recognition requirements, and overall user experience. We undertook this project in anticipation of the advanced technology we are seeing in the automotive industry today and the associated evolution and demands this places on required repair methods. While many resources and great work from the ICAR team have moved nearly all of these enhancements to launch readiness, there's a remaining and important IT system data synchronization issue we're still working to resolve with our learning management system, or LMS software vendor. And this is the platform, actually, that supports the whole program. This is a necessary step to ensure a smooth transition and quality user experience for our customers. And this is the main reason for our launch delay. We recognize the great frustration that this delay has caused for ICAR's customers and the industry, as well as for us, and I want to apologize for the inconvenience and headaches this may be causing. Our IT and project teams have done and are still doing an amazing job with our vendor to address and resolve the data sync challenges. We have seen what the future ICAR experience looks like, and thus we are excited about launching our new systems, which we expect to do within the next quarter. To date, ICAR has successfully completed a majority of the significant data synchronization needed for the launch. The remaining piece that's in process is integrating more than 5 million historical student training records from our current system to the new LMS. While we're working as fast and efficiently as we can to prepare for the launch of the new systems, it is contingent on the data sync speed achieved. Our team will continue to share updates with the industry about the launch and the timing. During the past few months, ICAR and the industry have begun to see the impact of our new programming and systems. First, our new IT systems have been installed and configured to deliver our enhanced programming once launched. ICAR's delivery team is now leveraging these systems to more accurately and efficiently schedule training nationwide. We are also utilizing these systems to improve our in-shop knowledge assessment processes. These systems have allowed us to streamline the process, enabling greater responsiveness and an improved customer experience. We have finalized new business rules, including changes to Gold Class and Platinum recognitions, which have been created, communicated to ICAR customers, and are now integrated into our new systems. We are seeing industry adoption and implementation of our new unlimited live online and virtual training subscription option, which is available to Gold Class shops. At the end of June, 28% of our Gold Class shops are now on subscription. While anticipating the launch of our new programming, we have seen great growth in new Gold Class shop achievement. At the end of June, we're happy to report there are now over 7,600 Gold Class shops, up 11.5% so far this year. My thanks to the industry and these new Gold Class shops for stepping up. ICAR's enhanced curriculum is completed, tested, and uploaded into the new learning management system. In total, we will soon be offering 266 classes, up from 164 today, which will also include 145 online classes in Spanish at launch. ICAR's instructor training on the new curriculum is well along the way, and so is PDP program training across our team to help support all of our customers with the transition. Once ICAR deploys the new systems, the learning and business process environment for our customers will improve with an entirely new online interface experience. This includes a user-friendly training manager experience, online tests for live classes, which means no more Scantron forums, a mobile training app, an enhanced website learning experience for users, and a much improved course registration process. This year, ICAR is celebrating its 40th anniversary of providing collision repair training to ensure complete, safe, and quality repairs for the benefit of the consumer. Our education, knowledge, and solution enhancements have been 40 years in the making, and we will continue to ensure they remain relevant going forward. We also recognize that launching our new course offerings and more robust learning portal is important to our ongoing support of the industry, so we must get it right. Please know that our original transition plan timing from current requirements to new requirements will be shifted out to align with the delay timeframe. As we get closer to launch, we will announce the exact changes to our transition timing. In the meantime, please know we understand the industry needs time to react, and please trust we have your back. Additionally, please keep training so you can stay on track to maintain your Platinum and Gold class status, as nearly all required training counts toward your future requirements. We appreciate your support of ICAR over the past 40 years, and we thank you for your patience as we work diligently to complete this final leg of our transformation journey. Please watch for more information as we get closer to launch. Be sure to visit icar.com, your My ICAR portal, and follow our social media channels for updates. Well, that's all for today, so thank you very much.